Well, hello everyone. My name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. If you're one of my new subscribers, a special shout out to you. I hope that you all will watch this video until the end. If you like what you see, please be so kind to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really love to have you join the family of friends of Jean Home Decor and More. Well, welcome to another Tablescape Tuesday. Tablescape Tuesdays are hosted every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The host of Tablescape Tuesdays is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I want to thank her for hosting every week. She has a special guest today, and the name of her channel is Decorating with Jazzy Green. Jazzy Green's theme today is white and silver. So this is my first tablescape for 2025, and I have decorated my table in white and silver. I don't have anything new on this table. Some of the things that I've had on this table, that I do have on this table, I'm sure you guys have seen last year. I use things that I have. Sometimes I might buy something, once in a while buy something to add on. But today there's nothing new on this table. I just do a remix. So, I hope that you enjoy it. I hope it gives you some ideas of if you're having company, decorating your table for, and I would say white, silver, and today winter. I have a white, silver, and winter theme. So I'm going to turn the camera around and let you see how I've decorated my table. I hope that you like it. I hope that you give me a big thumbs up, and I hope that you subscribe. Let's continue to pray for those impacted by the fire in California. Peace and blessings to you and your families. So let's keep watching. Until the next one, bye-bye.